Welcome back, frame savers. This is the no debt allowed portfolio update. There has been a change in this portfolio. I sold one position. I sold Garmin. So I am down to 6 companies in this portfolio instead of 7. And I'll explain why I did that in just a moment. All right, the current value of this portfolio is $232.08 with 38 cents in cash. Hop over here. We have deposited $225, which means we are currently up $7.08 or 3.15%. Now to why I sold Garmin. When I did the stock screener on this, I was wondering why the hell wasn't Garmin in here, right? I was looking for Garmin and what's the other one called? I forget the name, SWKS, chip manufacturer. Anyway, turns out the reason they weren't in my screener is because they weren't United States companies. So I only wanted to invest in United States companies. I didn't want to invest in foreign companies, especially Switzerland, because the tax treaty with that kind of sucks if you do some research on it. They will take 35% unless you do paperwork filed to the government early or to Switzerland early. Then they'll only take 15%. And then you have to deduct that on your taxes at the end of the year. So between all of this, I don't know whether M1 did this paperwork, probably not. So they're probably going to take 35% of all my dividends and profit, you know, when I sell. Yeah, I'm not going to deal with that. So I don't really care about the taxes. I did make a small amount of money on this sell when I sold it, and they probably took money. I don't know. I'll have to go look. I don't really care enough. It's only a couple bucks. So yeah, I don't want foreign companies in here. I believe if you invest in ETFs that are foreign, then maybe the taxes are much easier because the ETF itself is United States. I don't know. I need to do some research on that still, because I honestly don't have an answer to that. I'm sure many of you do. If you do know how taxes are handled with a foreign ETF, let me know. So if I was to invest in, say, an international ETF, then, you know, on taxes at the end of the year, do I have to take a deduction for taxes taken out of that or not? Or the dividends that are paid from it? Anyway, if you guys know, let me know. Otherwise, whenever I get some more time, which time is my problem right now, then I will research that myself. Anyways, we are up 3.15% and have 6 positions. Dividend-wise, we've earned $2.54, and we've been paid 27 cents of that in February. Overall, we've been paid $1.58. And again, Ethan Allen gave us $1.31. They actually paid us $1.31 for some reason, but we only earned $1.10. And I did double check. I could have swore, and Ethan Allen is not foreign stock, so it's not a conversion ratio like it was with the Canadian bank in my aggressive dividend. So the aggressive dividend portfolio, it turns out when they pay a dividend, since it's in Canada, they actually show Canadian dollars as earned. But then when they pay you, it's actually based on the current conversion rate for the day that they pay. So that's interesting. Anyways, that's the dividends. Dividend changes, there has been none. We are down on 2 of our 6 positions. There's been one investing day I put 25 bucks in. It increased our yearly dividends by $1.42 or 5.68% in yield on cost. This portfolio is giving a whopping $10.06 a year or 84 cents a month. I know it's a small portfolio. We'll get there, guys. Overall return is 4.47%. And that is the no debt allowed portfolio and the position that got sold. So that's it. That's all I got on this one. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.